Hello, this is Mark from I Am Organic Gardening, located in Zone 6B underneath unfavorable skies, and this has been going on for quite some time, for like the last 5 weeks, and it's really ruined our crops. It is just unbelievable how much this has created a problem. And I just want to share with you, because I haven't been uploading a lot of videos because it's pretty much been raining every day or every other day, and we've had lots of hail. And just to give you an idea, it doesn't really pertain to gardeners, but to farmers like myself, only 50% of, let's say, America has been planted up with either corn or soybean. The other 50% has not. And what has caused this is because of our weather this year. It has been just a problem for everybody trying to get out in the field and going on. So just bear with me uploading videos. It's not easy. I'm actually standing in my garage. I got the back door open, and this is the problem every day. Now, this is what also has been happening a lot. It's about 95 degrees Fahrenheit. And if you notice on the corner over here, watch, the storm is picking up clouds from the back and actually sucking them into like a vortex. We just got a tornado warning, and this is about maybe only a half a mile away. My friend called me, and it's hailing over there. But if you look over here, you'll slowly see the clouds being picked off almost at the bottom and starting to swirl around here. This happens pretty much every other day. Like I said, it's around 95 degrees. It dropped about 30 degrees, and it's cold. It's not even windy out, and all of a sudden it just creates this huge funnel cloud. It never really ever turns into a tornado, thank God, but it's just a heavy downpour, lots of lightning and hail, and that's what it's creating in this huge funnel that goes pretty much from the clouds in the sky almost to the ground. If you're underneath it, it is just pitch dark, and it's just as amazing how this thing just gets created of a temperature drop all of a sudden, and then it just makes this huge round globe that just cut out the sunlight, and then it will drop hail on us. So now the wind's starting to pick up. I'm going to seek a little shelter here for me and my son. Again, it just is deafening when it happens. I'm surprised my plants are holding up to this. I don't think they're going to survive this one, but it is getting closer, and you can see that this will reach me probably, the way it's starting to pick up now, in about another 5 minutes. Thanks. I'm going to get out of here. Bye.